Hello everybody, I come to you from the floor of my studio. Sorry about the neighbour mowing, I'm not sure if you can hear that or not, but because I have just unpacked these beautiful pencil rolls, which I am so excited about. I cannot believe we've got merch and pencil rolls in 1 week, gosh. I have got 40 of these beautiful things. They were all handmade and individually by lovely women over in Lombok in Indonesia, and I went and saw them and had my own pencil roll made, which I use all the time and I absolutely love it. And I know that pencil rolls are around and you can get them lots of places, but this has got some fun things. So firstly, they're made from, I need to remember the actual name, it's like a sari, like vintage saris, but they have their own name for them, sarongs, but basically from vintage ones, so they're all a bit different. And yeah, you can't kind of, well, you can get two of the same because they've managed to make a couple from a sari, but there's like mostly different ones. It's still got a little pin in it, but it is all sewn up. I love this. I love how authentic they are. Really nice like cotton canvas inside, really nice strong elastic, and this is the bit that I got them to make bespoke for me, which are in these other pencil rolls, is the zip. So you can have a little zip pocket with a rubber, pencil sharpener. I have a little neo colour in mine as well, a little white one. You can fit quite a few little bits in here. You can actually fit like a Tombow pen as well in them. These ones, they've made like the zip goes right down to the bottom, but we've just got a little bit of this like bottom section in it too, whereas mine ends, but I think it was hard for them to remember exactly what it is, but it's still got the full length pocket, it's just tucked behind this bit, but you can still fully access it because the zip is from the top. And we've got lots and lots of different colours and patterns. The way I'm going to do it, because they're all so different, I was going to just do kind of lucky dip, but I know we all have preferences. I'm letting them go to you guys first. You guys have got a full week before I release them to the public, so go. I'll pop like the price and everything and the link below, because I can't remember it off the top of my head. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to have like options, so it'll all be just one product on my website, but then on the little choosy, what is it, the flip down menu where you can choose, we're going to have like colours, which I've tried my best to organise here. But as you can see, so this one is going to be like in the kind of pinks and reds, because it's got pinks and reds in it. It does also have yellow in it, it has green in it, it has some like turquoisey bits in it and some lilac. It's really hard to kind of, some of them are much more obvious, like this one, which I really like, by the way, but some of them are a bit mixed, but I've done my best to organise them. So we're going to have some like blues and turquoises, which are kind of like this kind of colour. Ooh, gorgeous. Then we've got pinks and purples, like this kind of tones, just so you can have a little sneak peek before you go and have a proper look online. I'm not going to photograph them all individually because that would take forever, but I'm going to have some like group photos so you can at least like understand, but they're not professionally done, because I want to show you this video first, and then just to get them out rather than like wasting any more time, because I know you've been waiting for them for ages. These will be like yellows and browns, because we've got like yellows here, but then there's also like, these are really lush, like kind of golden and then into like browns there, but the browns do have lots of lovely colours in, so don't be put off by the brown. And like we kind of got some oranges as well in there. So those kind of tones, so when I'm saying like yellows and golds and browns, that's those tones. We have got the reds, which are really lovely. Lovely and bright, lovely and patterned. Love this one as well, it reminds me of a tile. Oh, I want to keep them. I want to keep all of them, but I'm going to let them all go to you guys first. Then we've got like greens. My one is green and I love it. I really love it. The colours are so lush. So yeah, the greens have some really nice other colours in them too. Interesting. That is similar to mine, but a little bit different. Then we've got literally two that I just can't put into anything. So I'm just going to put multi, as in like multicolour, because they're kind of like whitish, but then they've also got like greens, and then they've got blues, and then they've got pinks. They kind of fit into everything. They've got some like tie-dye kind of stuff there. So yeah, I'm just going to call those multi. They've got 36 slots for pencils and things, and a really nice like cotton wraparound. I'm going to keep them as fairly priced as I can, but I do have to just take into account the shipment over from Indonesia. But yeah, I'm really excited about these. Let me know what you think in the comments below, what your favourite colours are, and if you're going to be ordering one or two. I'm not going to limit it, you can have as many as you like, and if they all go to you guys, then they all go, and if they don't, then there's some left for the rest of the world, then that's also great. I really hope that all of you that want one get one, but if you don't, please let me know, and then I'll know if there's enough interest to order more. But it might be that I wait a little bit, get some more patrons and like things like that, to then order another kind of 40, but I don't want people being like, oh no, I missed out. So I'll do what I can. I really hope you're all as excited as me, and the joy of this pocket, I cannot tell you. I've had a couple of other pencil rolls, and I've also had the peg and all roll thing, which I think is like £100 and something, and this is my favourite. It's just my favourite. I love being able to easily see everything, and having that pocket is a joy because it means you can just go out with one roll if you wanted. I often put like a pencil or something that or a pen in one of the slots as well. And just so you know, when you first get them, they can feel quite stiff just because like the cotton hasn't softened yet fully. But as you can see from this guy, they become really nice and floppy, but in a really wonderful way. So I'm really excited. So yeah, I'm gonna go and link and all the info and price and everything is below. If there's anything that didn't make sense, then let me know. And yeah, okay, bye guys, bye.